Auburn University's RFID Lab specializes in the business case and technical implementations of radio frequency identification in the retail, supply chain, and manufacturing settings. The lab has continued to work with leading retail, manufacturing, supply chain, and technical companies to discover potential opportunities in the field of radio frequency.
On a daily basis, the lab is constantly working on different business cases for multiple different companies within the manufacturing, retail, and supply chain industries. This means that the lab is constantly running RFID audits for all these different sponsors of the lab. These audits help determine the potential implementations and impacts of RFID technology in each of these sponsors' current environments. By doing this, the lab hopes to improve these companies' inventory accuracy and visibility at the product level, which in turn reduces stockouts while increasing customer satisfaction and maximizing their efficiency and their effectiveness. As well as conducting different audits for each one of these companies, the Auburn University Lab also conducts different baseline scenarios and test scenarios. This entails running hundreds of different RFID tests and research where we test real-life RFID scenarios. RFID, or radio frequency identification, is a wireless use of electromagnetic fields to transfer data for the purpose of automatically identifying and tracking tags attached to objects. There are two different types of RFID. The first type is passive RFID, which draws power from the reader and sends back waves that can be converted to digital data. The lab mainly focuses on the use of passive RFID tags in the retail and manufacturing environment. However, the lab just implemented an active RTLS demo. The main difference between active RFID tags and passive RFID tags is that active tags have their own power source. This power source is typically a battery, and it is used to run and transmit the microchip circuitry and to continually broadcast this signal and information to the reader. Unlike an active tag, a passive RFID tag has no power source or battery. This means that the microchip only transmits the tag's information when it enters or passes through an RF field, such as an RFID antenna. This means that passive RFID tags are normally less expensive than active RFID tags because the price of the tag doesn't include the price of the battery.